Welcome friends, welcome to our channel. Welcome to the series of our channel. Okay, now in this series of the channel, as I told you in our introduction class, we are learning about a movie, that is Merchant of Venice. Yes friends, so I gave you the introduction class. Hope you have gone through my video and you have understood the what the play is all about. What are the important characters or who are the important characters of the play. So now it will be easy for you as we proceed with the acts of the play and the scenes of the play. Okay friends, so today we will be learning about Act 1, Scene 1, the first page. I hope friends the text is already there with you and you have opened your text. So you can see the text is there and the side meanings are also there with you. So I'll just go by the explanation of the speeches of the characters as we come. Okay. So as we all know that this is a play, it's a drama. So it always any drama or play opens in a scene. A scene is created to start the drama. So here we see that this scene or this act opens at the street in Venice. Venice is a place where this whole play is going on. So we'll see that this scene, this particular act and this particular scene opens at the street in Venice, and we see whose entry. We see the entry of Antonio, Salarino and Salarino. We already know about Antonio. Now who are Salarino and Salarino? These two are Antonio's friend. As we all know that Antonio was a rich man and he was of good reputation. So he had many friends, and Salarino and Salarino are two of them, two of his friends. Okay. Now in this scene we see that Antonio is in a melancholy mood, is in a sad mood, and he does not know the reason why he is so sad himself. He does not know the reason. And Salarino and Salarino, his friends, try to console him with their sweet words, and they try to justify the reason of his sadness. Now here again in this scene we will also see that Bassanio, Antonio's best friend Bassanio, will come to take help of his friend Antonio because he wants to seek Portia, who is the heiress to the throne of Belmont. He wants to be presentable, to be in front of her, to seek her. He wants to marry Portia and will be going as a suitor to Portia. So to be presentable, because he was again spendthrift and he was not that rich. So to be presentable, he needed the help of Antonio in the form of a loan. And in turn, we see that Antonio at present does not have any ready cash in hand. So he advised Antonio to take his name as his credit, to take help from the moneylenders in Venice. So ultimately we'll see in the acts and scenes as we proceed further that Bassanio will go to Shylock, who is a moneylender of Venice, to seek a loan from Shylock in the name of Antonio, means in Antonio's credit. Okay, so not going to that far. So we're coming to the scene. At the present scene is Act 1, Scene 1, the first page. So let's start with the main speech of Antonio. Here Antonio, so you can follow the text. In this speech we see Antonio in a melancholy mood and he does not know the reason why he is so sad. What reason is making him feel so sad, where the sadness came from, he just does not know, and his friend Salarino will console him. So coming to the main speech of Antonio. Yes, so in this scene we see Antonio is saying that truly I don't know why I am so sad. It troubles me. He talks with himself that he has no idea why he is so sad, what is making him feel so sad, from where the sadness came from, and what it is made up of, what is the reason of his sadness. He is unaware to know. He is unaware. He is yet to know the reason of his sadness. So we see Antonio in a melancholy mood. He is very disturbed, mentally disturbed at this point of time. Now coming to Salarino's speech. Now what Salarino has to say to his friend. He says that you are mentally moving along with your merchandise which are on the sea like gentlemen. He's saying that your your mental status is with your business ventures which are at sea, and important citizens overlook the small commercial boats. He's saying that your ventures, your merchandise are like gentlemen at sea who overlook the small, lower citizens. In the same way, those ventures overlook the little boats that crosses it. Your merchandise commands respect from those little boats. They command respect, means they bore respect in honor of your merchandise, which are rich and big, giant merchandise at sea. Okay, those little boats move up and down. They move up and down with the waves of the ocean or sea. So it seems like they are going in respect with the they are going respect or they are offering respect to your ventures. Okay, move up and down in due respect to your merchandise, which crosses smartly with its canvas waving. Here canvas is a piece of cloth with which flag is made, and it is tied high upon the highest tower of the ship to show the direction, in which direction the wind is blowing, so that the ship, it's easy for ships to move at sea. Okay, now this was Salarino's and Antonio's speech in the first page of the scene. You see, Act 1 Signal, the first page. Now friends, if you have any query, please drop it in the comment section, and if you do like our video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you friends. Bye.